Murphy's even going to do it now.
Of course you won't. Not until you have the camera out. Uh-oh. Kiki. Kiki, be nice. Kiki. 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 She wasn't using claws, but... Oh, here we go. We're gonna go for the miraculous climb again? Well, let's set it up to where it was. There you go.
Such a smart little bastard.
He made it!
Oh my god. Murphy's gonna learn not to crawl into the hand because the hand's just gonna put him right back.
Hamster?
He's not very bright. Well, actually, he is bright. He's just ballsy.
I mean, he does have the balls to do that.
He's gonna do it again. You smart little bastard.
He's got this figured out.
You're just letting him get practice in at this point.
Oh,
Oh my god. Did he get caught?
yeah, his foot got caught right here.
Oh. He doesn't care. He wants to keep going.
Uh-oh, now, Kiki, be nice. Kiki. Kiki, Kiki. And back into the cave. Back into the hiding hole.
Yep.
To plot his next escape.
Oh, he'll probably try it again, yeah.
You know why he does this corner, right?
Why?
He can use both as leverage.
Yeah, he can... It's like climbing a rock wall. No, he knows to go to corners, Jesus. And he did it no trouble that time.
He's getting too smart.
Yeah, he kind of is.
I mean, we weren't ever going to leave him out here. Anyway, watch his little...
Oh, whoop. Yeah, he...
You gotta get that other foot over, bud.
Why are we teaching him on this? And he falls on his little butt.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
You are too smart for your own good, little dude. Oh. You can't go under. You can try to go over, and we are not discouraging him from going over. I'm just rescuing him when he gets his little foot caught.
Yeah, that would suck. It'd just be...
Because he could very easily rip it off.
Yeah.
And Kiki's over here just like... Ah.
Yeah, she's gonna love right
Hey. No.
No, we're not playing. Hey.
No.
Oh, shit. She wants to go after him. I still got him. Should we put him back? He seems like he really wants to go back.
Next time he climbs up.
You know he will.
What's underneath?
Nothing. He just wants to explore under stuff because he knows that's a... Yeah.
So he has multiple corners where he can climb up if he really wants to.
Oh, I'm sure he will.
And then if we just want to say hello to him, boop.
Like, ah!
And boop.
You just knocked him over.
Yes, I did. He jumps off my fucking arm that's a foot off the ground. I think a little 6-inch slide isn't going to hurt him.
Oh, here he goes again. There he goes. Now, if he doesn't get his damn foot trapped, I wonder if he will learn. Oh!
Hey!
He was smart. God.
You did it!
Why are we congratulating this?
Because he can't get out of that fucking thing.
True, but still, why are we congratulating this?
Because he's so adorable.
Alright, we'll put him up.